In this parish, I've been hearing complaints that we do not speak in tongues, that we are not spiritual enough. Today, I am going to teach you how to speak in tongues. We are going to learn tongues. Oh yeah, right now, talk to your neighbor, look at your neighbor, grab your neighbor, hold your neighbor, and look at them eyeball to eyeball. Say neighbor.
Hakuna matata, I like your matako, matiti. Le Bédou est magique, Fimi les chevaux danser. Tu es magnifique, me la qui style élégant, enchanté. Mademoiselle, c'est le moment de faire la fête. C'est le moment de faire la fête. Oh yeah, hold your neighbor, Besuma go magnet. C'est le moment de faire la fête. Oh yeah, show them. Oh yeah, show them. Oh yeah, show them. Show them.